College Football 25 brought back one of the most beloved features from the original NCAA football series, Team Builder. This powerful tool lets you download thousands of user-created schools with custom uniforms, logos, and stadiums. Before you can download any custom schools, you'll need a free EA Sports account. This account lets you access Team Builder and share content across different platforms. Let's start with the PlayStation 5 process. There are 5 simple steps to download custom schools on PS5. Here's what the Dynasty mode interface looks like once you have custom schools downloaded. You can see the team management options and weekly activities. The Xbox Series X and Series S process is very similar, but uses Xbox Game Bar integration. The process is slightly streamlined through Microsoft's gaming ecosystem. This shows the Xbox Game Bar interface on PC, which provides easy access to game features and content management tools. One of the best features is cross-platform compatibility. Custom schools created on PS5 can be downloaded and used on Xbox Series X or S, and vice versa. Your EA Sports account syncs everything seamlessly. Here's the most important tip. Make sure your EA Sports account is properly linked before you start downloading. This prevents sync issues and ensures your custom schools appear correctly in the game. Now you're ready to explore the thousands of custom schools available in College Football 25. Whether you're on PS5 or Xbox, the process is straightforward and opens up endless possibilities for your Dynasty mode experience. Now that you've downloaded your custom schools, it's time to put them to use. Custom schools can be integrated into 3 main game modes: Dynasty mode for long-term team management, Road to Glory for player career mode, and exhibition games for quick matches. To access your downloaded teams, navigate to the respective game mode and look for the downloaded content section. This is where all your custom schools will appear, ready to be selected and used in your games. The custom school community has created some amazing content. 2 popular categories stand out: historical team recreations and fictional universities. Historical teams let you play with legendary squads from college football's past. Fictional universities, like the famous Blue Mountain State from the TV show, bring entertainment and creativity to the game. These custom schools often feature unique uniforms and creative team names that add personality to your gameplay experience. The custom school community is incredibly active. Popular schools can have over 10,000 downloads, showing just how much players love this content. The community rating system helps you discover the highest quality custom schools. Statistics show that 78% of players use custom schools, with the average player having 12 custom teams in their game. This demonstrates how important custom content has become to the College Football 25 experience. Sometimes you might encounter issues when downloading or using custom schools. The most common problems include connection failures and account sync issues. Here are the key solutions to try when troubleshooting. Here are some pro tips to enhance your custom school experience. First, give your downloaded schools unique and descriptive names. This makes them much easier to find in the game menus when you have multiple custom teams. Always check community ratings before downloading. Schools with higher ratings typically have better attention to detail in uniforms, logos, and overall design quality. Consider organizing your teams by conference or historical era. This systematic approach makes it easier to select the right team for your gameplay scenario, whether you're recreating classic matchups or building new rivalries. Integrating custom schools into your gameplay is straightforward. Whether you're starting a new Dynasty mode campaign or beginning a Road to Glory career, the process is the same across all game modes. Custom schools transform your gameplay experience by bringing authentic atmosphere to every game. Each custom school features unique uniforms, logos, and team identity that make every matchup feel special and realistic. Remember these key points for the best custom school experience. Access your teams through the downloaded content section, look for highly rated schools with many downloads, and use descriptive names to keep your collection organized. With these tips, you'll get the most out of College Football 25's amazing custom content community.